to the future of smart mobility. By switching from internal combustion engine vehicles to electric vehicles, we together redefine the driving experience with VinFast Smart Services and Advanced Driving Assistance. Welcome to a driving experience that is effortless.
Meet you at your doorstep.
Welcome to a driving experience that is smarter.
Hey, VinFast.
Hi, John. Where do you want to go today?
Welcome to a driving experience that is connected. Welcome to a driving experience that is fun and entertaining. Welcome to a driving experience that makes you more productive on the road. Welcome to a driving experience that is more convenient, that we proudly call invisible service. Welcome to a driving experience that is safer, intelligent, and simple. Welcome to a driving experience that is practical and easy. Welcome to the future of advanced innovations developed by hundreds of top global partners worldwide. And best of all, these smart EVs are within your reach because the sustainable future should be for everyone. Join the charge.
It's fundamentally human, collaborative, and progressive. We believe that by working with the best people in the world, we can create a vehicle that is not only more people-centric, but also make a lasting impact in terms of building a more sustainable future for us and also for our planet.
Everything in this car was designed to make the lives of the owners better. It's a really simple idea, but it's amazing how often that gets lost. Now, we chose to partner with Pininfarina, one of the best design studios in the world. Their expertise is second to none, and they really understand the VinFast design philosophy. From the detailing around the headlights, to the dynamic side creases, hand cut and sewn materials and detailing you would not expect to find in a vehicle like this.
By bringing together the best design in the world and the best manufacturing, we truly have created something that redefines what excellence is in an electric SUV.
Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos and subscribe the channel.